it's Mikathleen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ikaw na ay mag-subscribe and click the tiny bell button para updated ka sa aking mga videos. For today's video is gonna be a DIY organizers and organize with me. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I will sew the organizers that we will use. And let's start. First, I will sew this box for my lotions and others. Let's start now. I will sew this. Mag-organize na tayo. Let's get started. Lagay ko tong A4 skin sauce. Oh, maliit na pala siya. Lagay ko din tong isopropyl alcohol biogenic. Ito ding Rexona Dry Serum Fresh Sakura. Ang kanilang bago deodorant. Ang nasa likod ay Rexona Dry Serum Natural Whitening Press. Sakura instantly dries and naturally whitens. Its lightweight, non-sticky formula contains natural whitening ingredients, vitamin A and licorine extract that is instantly absorbed for naturally whiter underarms, with fresh Sakura scent and 48 hours sweat and odor protection. Ito ding Johnson's Baby Oil. Ito ding Skin or Pimple Fighting. Ito ding Bello Acne Prone Skin. And this Green Cross Sanitizing Gel. Nalilagyan ko ng coconut oil. Ang papa. Ang gulo kasi. At itong naubos na ang laman, ilalagay ko mga lipstick ko. Itong Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Gloss. And this Aloe Vera 9.9 Soothing Gel for lips. And this Peach Lip Balm. At itong Vice Ganda na matte lipstick. Lagi nyo nakikita to sa video. At itong spatula ilalagay ko rin. At dito ilalagay ko yung mga mas malalaki. This is from Coca-Cola, not sponsored. Lagay ko tong soft brow mascara. Itong concealer na stick and highlighter. At itong eyebrow pencil. O, sana na yung brush ng spoolie. Ito. Ba't ka umaalis? At ito, castor oil. At itong dalawang Bello Tinted Sunscreen SPF PA+++. And this Bello Acne Prone Soothing Gel. Itong Fairy Lips Scrub. At ilalagay ko rin mga ditong banda. Itong PFX ay lip cream. Itong Recovery ay White Sleeping Gel Mask and Face Republic sunscreen. At ilalagay ko rin ang aking dalawang suklay dito. And that's it all for today's video. Ikaw na ay mag-like, share, and subscribe to be part of the hashtag It's Mikathleen Fam and to get notified wherever I upload a new video. And ikaw na ay mag-like, comment, and subscribe para ikaw ay ma-shoutout for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye! At nakalimutan kong sinabi guys, kung gusto nyo ito ay i-DIY ko na room decor ko for my next video, like, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye! Don't forget hashtag It's Mikathleen.